Well, this is John again here. I'm back. So it's December 7th, 2023. All the crows are happy. The 300E's been doing pretty good since the head gasket, but now something else is cropping up. I don't know. My son says that it's hard starting when he leaves work. And he doesn't really describe it very well. He just, he said his voltage was at 11 volts. I go, well, it's normal when you're cranking it, the voltage goes down. But I don't know. So it's cold start, so I'm going to check to see the battery voltage. And, we did the head gasket last time. It's not leaking a drop of oil. It always starts for me. So it has me thinking, oh, what's going on? What's he doing? So what I'm going to do first, is test voltage. See if I can do this one-handed. Oh, yeah. Now the engine's still there. I don't really see anything wrong with it. Try to open this hood without pinching my finger. Come on, pull that little thing out like that. Coolant tank looks good. Let's see if I can, maybe I ought to set this down. Okay, I did it. So let's see what kind of voltage we have here. Anyway, replace the alternator and battery. Yeah, that's good. That's good voltage. I'm happy. Let's see how it starts. I think I'll check the duty cycle too. I know that the duty cycle had disappeared before the head gasket, and I replaced the EHA. And after the head gasket, the duty cycle came back. I don't know why. It made zero sense, but let's see if it's got any gas in it. Probably not. Oh, it's got gas. Good. Watch, it'll just start for me. See, just cold start. So I asked him what, what are the symptoms? Did you go anywhere? Is it work? He goes, I went to Starbucks. I came back. The car sat for 3.5, 4 hours. 6 o'clock comes around. He goes to start it. He says it just goes, and the voltage goes down. It's got this little reader thing. It's at 14 volts. So there's no problem with the electrical system. I don't see how there could be. So I'm just thinking it's just fuel related. Yeah, those trees are definitely turning colors, huh? We're in California, so we don't get a lot of pretty stuff like that. Where runs? It runs. Coolant tank looks okay. Yeah, it's at the right level. My son's not really a car guy, so he doesn't really, he understands a little bit, but diesels are nice. I think I'm just going to have to try to get more info from him. I was thinking maybe the fuel injectors are dripping a little fuel, when the car sits after being driven for a while. I had replaced all these fuel injectors, I don't know, years ago, but you never know. 147,000 miles. Yeah, these, 30-year-old cars, especially European cars, they can have weird little issues. And especially when they're 30 years old at 150,000 miles, things start going. The only thing I haven't replaced in this car are the fuel pumps. I did replace the fuel accumulator when we got the car. So I got to look at my records. I know I replaced the fuel pumps on a black one that I had, but I don't remember doing this one. So I don't think it's electrical. I think his problem is more fuel related. Could be fuel distributor, fuel pressure regulator. Start thinking about stuff. What else could be going on here? But I'm gonna wait until he calls me and says the car will not start. That's when I tell him, call the insurance company, we got free towing. Right, checking the duty cycle now, so it's not right. Let the car warm up. Runs normal. Oh, there. I didn't have the percentage. I didn't have the percentage sign. So now it's cycling. It's a little rich. Let's try shutting it off. You got to get them up to temperature. Should probably drive it a little bit, but I don't feel like it. Yeah, we're up to temperature. Let's try shutting it off. Restart. It starts right up. Ah, see? I went to 49, but it's not cycling. so weird, it's just stuck there. That's hard getting your hand in there. And now it's decided to start cycling. It's so weird, I'm telling you. I think I'll drive it around a little bit. God, it runs. It just runs good, you know. Here we are in the city of Temecula. Could be Christmas time. Everybody's walking their dogs. They just put this little fence, little walkway here. That's where I should take my wife. She wants to go walking. I go, let's just go down here. Car runs great. Doesn't feel underpowered. Yeah, to get that duty cycle, you want to warm the car up, operating temperature. When it's cold is not the time to test it, because I guess the heater and the O2 sensor has to heat everything up in there and tell the computer what's going on and adjust fuel mixture. Yeah. Let's race a Tesla. Come on. Oh, I'm beating it. It's so cool. This thing will beat Teslas. Okay, so that's kind of rich. 3 millimeter. Okay, I turned it maybe a quarter of a turn. What you want is 50%. Where are you, throttle? Yeah, if you just have it on Hertz, you're gonna get something like this. You've got to have the percent sign on here. You got to have a meter with that function. Just doing pretty good. As long as it goes down to 49. Give it one little. Yeah. I'm satisfied with that. And you should be too. can't do much more than this. Let's see if it revs out good. Well, you know, what else can I do? Well, that's all I can do for now. All right, it's now nighttime. So my son said that it started okay for him. Today we're leaving work. Double check here. Oh my God. Oh yeah, foot on the brake, John. Come on. Yeah. All right. So whatever I did, seemed to work. Cool. So, in closing, I turned the mixture down. It was running a little rich. What was it, around 65%? Should have been about, wow. There's a fire station up the hill, so there's always sirens. So I was running a little rich. Only thing I could figure is maybe it was just running too rich and was having a hard time starting. That adjustment, it just you can make it richer or leaner. It's about the only adjustment on that fuel system. Everything else has to be 100%. There's not even a screw to adjust the idle. It's not there. It's the computer takes care of all that with the whole electronic, was it CIS, fuel injection. Well, so if you have problems with you know, stuff, I had somebody on YouTube having problems with their 300E, and I just told him, you know, I think he had just bought it and it sat for several years. And I said, first thing you got to do is, you know, check every system out, the cooling system, the electrical system, all the tune-up parts. You get all that done, spark plugs, distributor cap, oil filters, you know, and then you start, once you know that all that has been taken care of, then you start getting to all the little issues. And these cars, they can have issues, especially when they're, you know, 30 years old. Maybe I should put my Christmas lights up. I don't know. I got my electric bill today and it was crazy here. Okay, so this is John. I'll update the video if he still has any issues, but I think hopefully I fixed it. I'll talk to you later.